Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing a DIY ring light, and what you will need is a 18-inch wreath. I got this from Walmart. You can find it by the fake flowers and stuff, and then you need some zip ties as well as the LED rope light. This is good so that it doesn't heat up and you can plug it in, and it's also like pliable to other things. This is what it looks like out of the box. It is very bright, and I got the daylight one. So basically what you want to do is take the LED rope lights and zip tie it down to the metal part of the wreath. And you just go around. I noticed that it is better to put the zip ties close together and not so far apart like I did, because I had to go back in and put more zip ties. And there is a certain way that the zip ties have to go, if not it will be loose. So I also had to learn that, because I never used zip ties before. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. And I'm just going around every few inches and I'm putting the zip ties. And I started from the inside and worked my way to the outside, so when it's ready to be plugged in, it's not difficult to do so. So as you can see, I'm just finishing up. It took me about 20 minutes to do, so it does not take long at all. Everything came up to under $20, so it's very cheap. If you don't want to invest into like a $100 ring light so far, or at the moment, then you definitely don't have to. And this you can make a stand for. You can just lean up against something and have your phone shine through it. So it is really easy, and really it comes in handy. It really does. It's better than using a flashlight because you don't get a weird shadow behind you. So yeah. So this is what it looked like with all the zip ties on, and now I'm just going to cut off the excess zip tie parts so that it is smooth and nothing's in the way. You want to be very careful when doing this because it does get sharp, the pieces that you cut off, and you don't want to cut yourself. So just go slow, get everything off, and if you need more, add more, and so on. And here you have it, your very own light ring. It literally took 20 minutes to do, and as you can see, the plug is on the outside, so it's easier to plug in. So don't mind me, y'all, but I wanted to show you guys the difference of how the ring light looks with natural light from the ceiling. And this is what it looks like, and then I'm gonna plug it in and show you guys what it looked like on. Okay, so can you guys see the difference? This is what it looks like with the ring light on. Also, if I didn't mention already, these lights are daylight, so it gives you like a nice natural daylight look. So you can see with the light on, it makes a really good difference. So you guys will be getting better videos, so you can see my hair better, and everything like that. This is a 2-week-old twist out, so I'm gonna do my hair tomorrow. Don't worry about it. And I want to take it out one more time to show you guys. And again, this is what it looks without. So as you can see, it's a huge difference. I can't wait to show you guys more videos and have better lighting, because the flashlight gives a shadow, the ring light that you can make on your own does not. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.